What's up, guys? Jeff at Jeff Sports Cards here in Topeka, Kansas. I'm going to do a showcase racing. I've been wanting to do one of these for a while, so I figured, why not? Now's the time. Phone blowing up, anticipation already. Oh. All right. Checklist, 3 packs. My buddy Sean's going to help me out here. Your Honor, Your Honor.
Let me go first.
Yeah, you go first.
All right. Got a David Reagan base card. A Jeff Gordon, number out of 499. Looks like Carl Edwards, Greg Biffle, Kenseth, and David Reagan, numbered out of 125. And I think this next one's going to be the hit.
Oh, hey, that's not horrible at all.
Jimmie Johnson, 2-color sheet metal out of 45.
Autograph?
Autograph. Not bad.
No, I'm okay with that.
And then the last one is a Jimmie Johnson, number out of 499.
No, there's definitely worse autographs to get.
Yes, there is. Well, that's a good start.
All right. I'll jump in with number 2.
I'm not disappointed.
No, not at all. Up front, Jeff Burton out of 499. Next up is Richard Petty out of 125. One of the clear plastic cards. Then we got Mark Martin out of 125. And the next one's going to be the hit. It's a quad sheet metal. Triple, sorry.
That is sick.
Kyle Busch, Denny Hamlin, Joey Logano, numbered out of 99.
Look at the lettering.
Love the letter. Look at the use on the Logano. That's kind of nice, too.
That's very sweet.
And Almendinger out of 499 at the back.
That's pretty sweet.
Not too horrible there. I like that.
Yeah, that Kyle Busch is pretty sweet.
All right, man. We'll just do the last one. Jamie McMurray. Cale Yarborough out of 499. We got David Rudiman out of 125, second year. Uh-oh. See the hit flash of the phone.
Ooh.
Kyle Busch out of 45, jumbo sheet metal, and Marcus Ambrose. Phone's ringing. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun.